Your spine is a framework that supports your entire body, allowing you to move, stand tall, and protects your most vital connections. And this 11-minute practice will strengthen and nourish this essential structure through dynamic movement and powerful breath work. Quickly go over how to do the breath of fire technique. Easiest learned if we first act like a dog panting. And then we'll close our mouth and do it through our nose. These are equal inhales and exhales. And if you feel lightheaded or dizzy at any point, please stop and take a break or continue with long, deep breathing. Review the list of contraindications below. Gather any gear like a pillow, blanket, or blocks to enhance your practice.
Sit comfortably in your chair, feet flat on the floor, hands resting on your knees. Begin to circle your torso, inhaling through your nose as you expand through your chest, and exhaling as you round your spine back. You may choose to close your eyes or soften your gaze, allowing yourself to focus inward. Ancient traditions viewed certain trees as bridges between worlds. Our spine connects the realms within us, body, mind, and spirit. Notice any areas of tension in your body. With each breath, send your awareness to these areas, allowing the movement to massage away stress. Remember to maintain long, deep breaths in and out through your nose. Now let's reverse directions. Notice if this side feels any different. Each direction may reveal new sensations. This gentle movement lubricates the spinal disc and increases circulation to the surrounding muscles. As you continue this circular motion, imagine you're drawing upon the strength of Yggdrasil, the world tree revered by the Vikings. This mighty tree connects all 9 realms, embodying resilience and wisdom. With each breath, invite yourself to embody the strength and stability of the cosmic tree. Begin to make your circles smaller and smaller, gently making your way back to center. Sit up nice and tall, continue to breathe deeply, rooted firmly yet reaching skyward. Sit towards the front of your chair for seated cat-cow, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Your hands on your knees or thighs. Inhale through your nose, lift your chest, looking up slightly, creating a gentle arch. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Inhale into cow, exhale into cat. Maybe close your eyes down. Continue moving with your breath, feeling the stretch along your spine, flexing every vertebra. We're massaging the kidneys and adrenal glands, circulating energy upward. You may continue moving slowly or join me in quickening the pace. Still taking full inhales and exhales through your nose, we'll begin now. Pull up on your pelvic floor, engaging your core to protect your lower back as you flow in and out of cat-cow. You're welcome to move slowly. Feel your vital energy rise through your spine, much like the Celtic tree of life, a symbol of the life force flowing through all beings. Feel the power of breath of fire energizing your body, clearing away stagnant energy. Stay with your breath, you're doing great. Let's keep that energy flowing. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale deeply into cow, suspend the breath, engaging the core. Exhale fully into cat, suspend the breath at the top. Gently return to a neutral spine and allow your breath to soften. Come into seated child's pose. You may remain seated upright in your chair. You may slowly fold forward, place your elbows on your knees, resting your forehead on your hands, or you may hold a cushion or bolster against your chest. Lean forward, resting your forehead on the prop, letting your neck relax. Once you're comfortable, simply do long, deep breathing. Our spine, our body's first structure, a microcosm of the axis mundi, 33 vertebra, 7 energy centers, like a mountain rooted deeply below and striving upward. Just like Mount Meru in Hindu and Buddhist mythology represents balance and harmony, surrounded by 7 golden mountains and 7 lakes connecting earth and sky, so too does our spine connect our inner world. Gently begin to rise. Bring your palms on your thighs as we prepare for spinal flex. Tuck your chin slightly and keep your head and neck stable. Begin with the breath of fire. Inhale, flex your spine forward. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, chest lifts. Exhale, round your back. You may close your eyes. Continue at your own pace, focusing on the breath and the movement. We're strengthening our core, cultivating willpower, and building courage. Feel the energy rise through your spine as you engage your center. As we continue this movement, I invite you to connect with the unique strength of Irminsul, a sacred pillar of the Saxons. Unlike other cosmic pillars that are often trees or mountains, Irminsul was believed to be a human-made wooden column, emphasizing humanity's active role in maintaining cosmic balance. Feel the strength rising through your spine with each movement. Allow this rhythmic flex to affirm your inner resilience, knowing that you possess a unique stability and strength that is all your own. Keep that energy flowing. Feel the breath powering your movements, awakening your core. You're doing great. Stay with the rhythm. Just a few more breaths here. Prepare to come to stillness. Sit up tall. Inhale deeply. Suspend the breath. Engage your core. Exhale fully and relax. And just notice how you feel. Breathe naturally. Take a moment to sense what has shifted in your body and energy. We'll move right into Swan Dive. Inhale, lengthening through your spine. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin. Gently dip your head down. Inhale through your nose, rise back up. Exhale, gently rounding your spine like a swan lowering its beak into the water. Continue this fluid movement, synchronizing with your breath. This movement helps bring energy to your spine, improves the flow of cerebrospinal fluid around your brain and spinal cord, supporting the health of your nervous system. I invite you to connect with the symbolism of the Siberian cosmic tree. In shamanism, this represents the connection between worlds, often symbolized by sacred trees or poles. Just as ritual animals like eagles are seen as messengers between heaven and earth, let this movement be a bridge between your physical and spiritual self. Inhale once more as you rise. Exhale as you round your spine and dip your crown down. Inhaling as you sit up, lengthening through your spine, and return to a neutral seated position. Breathe normally and notice the subtle shifts within. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. We'll move into spinal twists. Choose the arm position that feels best for you. Hands on your shoulders, cactus arms, or simply resting them on your knees. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, twist the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Continue at your own pace. Deep breathing. Maybe you close your eyes down or soften your gaze. Inhaling on the left, drawing in nurturing energy. Exhaling to the right, cultivating strength. We're opening the heart space, the upper region of the spine. This movement stimulates the liver and spleen, releasing anger and frustration, making room for compassion and empathy. As we twist, we embody the Mesoamerican world. The sacred mountains rise as the axis mundi, bridging the heavens, earth, and underworld. Like the Mayans who saw these peaks as cosmic pillars, we align with the four directions, where circular time renews life, death, and rebirth. One last inhale, come center. Suspend the breath. Open wide through your heart. Exhale as you release your arms. Breathe normally and take a moment to just observe the flow of your breath. Perhaps your body feels more open, more connected. Place your palms face down on your lap for shoulder shrugs. Inhale deeply through your nose, lifting your shoulders up towards your ears, engaging the muscles. Exhale as you let your shoulders drop, releasing all tension. Repeat this at a slow, mindful pace. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders fall. As you lift your shoulders, envision channeling energy from the earth, and as you lower them, feel that energy dispersing through your body. With each movement, imagine activating your central channel, similar to how the cosmic pillars stand firm yet channel dynamic energy between the heavens and the earth. You may continue to move slowly or join me where we're moving and breathing as fast as we can for a couple of seconds at a time. Let's begin. You're doing great. Just 5 more seconds. Inhale deeply, lifting your shoulders. Squeeze out any remaining tension. Exhale, let your shoulders drop. Notice the newfound space and freedom in your neck and shoulders. We've arrived at our final posture, neck rolls. Atlas, first cervical vertebra, bears the weight of our skull, much like its namesake in mythology, who held up the heavens. Inhale, draw your left ear to your left shoulder. Exhale, trace an arc with your chin to your chest. Inhale, right ear to right shoulder. Continue at your own pace, inhaling as you open the neck, exhaling as you round forward. Explore full circles if they're in your practice. Just as the Atlas supports your head, your spine acts as the axis mundi, the sacred pillar within you. Feel this internal axis guiding you inward, aligning you with your highest potential. Begin to guide your chin back towards your chest. To rest your head down, inhale deeply and exhale with a sigh to create heat in the throat. Slowly lift your head back to center, feeling the alignment and openness in your spine.
Thank you for taking the time to nourish your spine and connect with your body today. Each breath and movement, you strengthen your literal and figurative backbone of your physical and spiritual well-being.
Drawing from the cosmic forces that support the heavens and earth across cultures, may you carry this sense of balance and strength within you.
Please like and subscribe to support our mission. And until next time, be well, stay inspired, and keep connecting to your inner and outer realms. Peace.